What's up everybody, my name is Multi-Geo from Deveru, and in this video I'm going to show you the different traffic sources available in Zeropark and my absolute personal favorite. So I'm logged into the dashboard right now. I'm in Zeropark.com, the advertiser panel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new campaign to show you the different categories that are available. And they are right on the screen already. In the campaign creation process, you can choose from 3 different options available, 3 different traffic methods inside the Zeropark traffic exchange. So what are we going to buy? What is my personal favorite and how do they work? So on the left, the first choice which says .com is domain, which basically means traffic from generic, misspelled and expired domains. So what happens there is that people, for instance, let's take Zeropark as an example. When people might type in Zeropark with double R, it might be a park domain which redirects to traffic. So you can buy traffic from these mistype kind of domains. Zeropark collects from the publishers all kinds of mistype domains. For instance, if you would type clickbank without the second C in the word, you get redirected to a different website. And those websites are being sold, those affiliate links, those clicks are being sold on .com domain traffic. Generic, misspelled and expired domains which are being used to generate traffic and you can buy clicks from. This is not my preferred method to advertise. You will get extremely low quality clicks for a very low cheap price. So the clicks, you can buy thousands upon thousands of clicks for just $1. The clicks are cheap depending on the geo which you pick. Of course, the tier 1 geos are a little bit more expensive and tier 2 and tier 3 are a lot cheaper. However, these clicks are a pattern interrupt. People are searching for something and they're being redirected to a different offer. In this sense, what might work well is, for instance, antivirus, those kind of offers where you basically run on a CPI basis. Not my preferred method, as you would need a crazy amount of scale to make very little revenue. I rather prefer the next one, which is pop traffic. So pop traffic is full page pop, which basically means different options for the pop to be displayed. Pop meaning it pops up when the user performs an action on the website. Pop could be sweepstakes, it could be opt-ins, it could be CPL, mainly anything CPL basis. The traffic is generally cheap because pop get like streaming websites, for instance. If people watch illegal movies online, adult websites, they often have pops which are being sold in big quantities. Pop traffic, also not one of my favorite traffic sources. The traffic quality is low, the conversion rate is very low, but the traffic is extremely cheap. So for the domain and the pop traffic, if you are from a tier 3 geo or a tier 2 geo and you are happy with making $100 a day in profit, then these 2 options are very good for you. They've been around for a long time. There are tremendous amount of strategies available and the volume available is crazy. You can easily make $100 a day on pop traffic and redirect domain traffic. My absolute favorite though is what is trending right now in the affiliate marketing industry, push notifications traffic on a cost per click model, which basically means that we send Android users push notifications to their phone with advertisements through Zeropark. You can use these push very well with the verticals casino, crypto, sweepstakes, dating, adult dating. Those I would say are my 5 favorites. Push notifications have an insane volume right now. All the big affiliates are running this traffic source and I would say for Zeropark it is my absolute favorite. For my own campaigns, next to my media buying team, all my own spend goes on push. I just love push, I think it's great. There's crazy amount of volume and it's very profitable. Profitable being, I run sweepstakes, I like to promote sweepstakes. I know how it works and on push with the cost per click model, looking at eCPA, I can just tell the system how it works. So for me, I tell them to, let's say the offer pays up $3 and I spend $2, I make $1 profit. Usually I take for push, a 15 to 25% ROI. So I would make $3. I would tell them to spend no more than, let's say, $260, $250 per conversion. And then the Zeropark inbuilt tracker auto-optimize the campaign by finding the golden nuggets, and then we scale up these and pause the rest. That's why I love push traffic on Zeropark. It's new, it's hot, it's trending. Everybody who I know is having great success with Zeropark push traffic. I'm glad I went into it. That's my number one pick. So out of the 3 options available, we have redirect domain traffic. You have traffic from generic, misspelled, and expired domains. Then you have pop traffic, which are in this case full page pops. And then you have the push traffic, which is my personal choice. And of course, I'm curious to know, what would your choice be? Leave it down in the comments below. What are the pros of your preferred method? What are the cons of your preferred method? And maybe I will try out those others as well, if you guys can convince me. Below me, there's a subscribe button. If you like these informative videos, you can subscribe to the Deborah YouTube channel.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.